Hi, this video is going to talk about supply curves and quantity supplied. The example we're going to use is the cattle industry or the market for steak. So quantity supplied is going to show you the amount that each firm wants to sell at a given price of steak. This will hold constant other factors that may influence the decision to supply steak, such as the cost of raising cattle and other government actions. The supply curve is going to graph the quantity supplied at each possible steak price. It will hold constant many other factors that influence our ability to supply cattle or steak. What are these supply determinants? Well, here's a partial list of 3 of those items, including the price of steak, the cost of raising cattle, and government rules and regulations. So let's sketch a supply curve for steak. And we have 2 items. We have the price of the steak on our vertical axis, and we have the quantity supplied of steak on the horizontal. If for a given steak price, say $3.30, 220 units are supplied, and if that price were to increase to say $5.30 per kilogram, farmers are more eager to supply us with steak. So the supply curve looks as follows for steak. This has a positive slope showing the relationship is a positive one between price and quantity supplied. This is a supply curve for steak. This supply curve holds every other factor that influences steak constant. The only factor we are changing is the price of steak. This holds people's preferences for steak constant. This holds government actions and regulations constant. This holds other cost components that influence our ability to supply steak constant. This is a supply curve for steak.